So going back to our month abbreviation program, this time we can try it with lists. We can use the idea of a list to make our previous month program even simpler. We can change the lookup table for months to a list, and then here's how it could look like. A months of Jan, Feb, March, all the way to now and December, this. And now to get the months out of the sequence, we could do month abbrev is set to months and indexing by n minus 1. So if the user enters 1 as the month, we can do 1 minus 1, 0, and that's January. If the user says 12, we can say 12 minus 1, that's 11, and that's the index of this. So this version of the program is easy to extend to print out the whole month name rather than abbreviation. So let's try this. I'm going to save this as file, save as, let's name this month 2. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, I want to get the months. Let's fix it on it. So now the month is a list instead of a long string. So what we should do, we don't need position anymore. So the only thing we could do, we can say n minus 1. That's all. So the abbreviation is month abbrev and that. Okay, so all right, so let's say month2.py, and then enter a month. If I can enter 1, you'll get Jan. If I run this again, I will get, let's try it with 12, and that's December. So good so far, right? So we can also do this. Now I'm gonna read the whole thing. Just copy and paste. This time I have, let me do 3 lines here now. All right, so January to December. Now we have full names for each month, and anything else should stay the same, and then program should work without any problem. I'm gonna also add one more thing. I'm gonna add a backslash to the end, and I'm also gonna put a backslash here as well. See the difference when we do the backslash. Now we have a space before we prompt the user. If I say 4, I'll get the abbreviation is April, leave 1 space, and then program ended. So let's try one more time. Let's do 9. Right. So we get abbreviation is September. So using lists sometimes could be a lot easier than using strings.